Machiegni pa tuke tim mar mine mar adhula mapacho kamano Harambee Starlets obago Ramogi kawuono motelo tugo mar manyo tiko mar dhi e AFCON e higa manyien. Tugo makiny obedie kindgi kod Gambia. Tugo no idhi goyo alap ma nyayo. Kocha mar timno Beldino Demba owacho ni gidhi timo maginyalo mano ne giyudo thuolo mar dhi e tuke mag laro osimbo mar Afrika. Korka kore jagol Awuor olero ni mano dhi bedo thuolo margi maber mar dhi nyiso talanta margi ne pinje maoko.
It's a good opportunity. Inaongeza kucheza hapo inatupatia jina, tunajulikana pia, tunaonekana huko nje. So kwangu ni a very big opportunity. Mood iko juu. Camp ukiangalia wachezaji tuko na very good quality. Kila mtu ako ready, kila mtu ana fight na kila namba iko na kila mtu yenye iko na hiyo capability ya to do everything yenye akiekwa mtu yote akipewa hiyo opportunity atapeana their best.
A lot of high spirits. The girls are looking forward for the match. They also understand that it's a good match and it's an opportunity for them and for Kenya to go and compete in a big stage. They're looking forward for it, and so far so good. The camp is in good mood. As I said earlier, it's an important match for the girls, for their careers. It's an important match for the nation. We qualify for this. We play. We win these two matches, home and away. We play AFCON.